Dear God, I'm writing this letter to you, to express the gratitude that's overdue, for every sunrise and the stars above, for the gift of life and your endless love. You've blessed me with family so dear, friends who lift me up, always near, and second chances, grace unearned. Your mercy, Lord, is what I've learned. Oh, this love letter to God, I send it high, for blessings abundant I can't deny. In every heartbeat, in every prayer, your presence, God, is always there. Through trials and triumphs you remain, guiding me through joy and pain. For every laugh and every tear, your faithfulness has brought me here. With gratitude my heart is full, for every blessing big and small, for family, friends, and second chances. In your love my soul dances. Oh, this love letter to God, I send it high, blessings abundant I can't deny. In every heartbeat, in every prayer, your presence, God, is always there. Through stormy seas and calmest nights, you've been my rock and my guiding light. For your mercy that's new each day, I'll forever sing your praise. Oh, this love letter to God, I send it high, for blessings abundant I can't deny. In every heartbeat, in every prayer, your presence, God, is always there. Dear God, with every breath I take, in every moment awake or asleep, I'll cherish your love, forever keep. This love letter to you, my heart's reply.